Hey guys, this video is about spotting bed bug bites after travel. So, I did a little research and bed bug bites typically appear in small red raised bumps, more like a mosquito bite. They appear as a mosquito bite, then they itch, but they can get like, I would say 5 times or more bigger than a mosquito bite. They can actually turn into knots. And if you scratch them too much, they will bleed and they will pus. And if you scratch it too much, they can become infected. So small raised red bumps, they may be itchy or painful, and I experience both itchiness and painfulness. They often have the following characteristics. They color red, pink, and purple. The bruise or the mark on your arm, it could be like the color red, pink, or purple. And it's like a round shape or oval shape, the bites. It says the size is approximately 1 to 5 millimeters in diameter. And how they bite you, they can bite you like in a straight line, they can bite you like in a zigzag, or like in a few bumps, like a cluster. They have you can have like a little small dark spot in the center of the bite, and it could look like a little blister. And you can experience itching, burning, and swelling. So that's typically what bed bug bites are. The experience you may have if you have a bed bug bite. You may go through one or most of those symptoms. When traveling, I put together a travel kit to help you not to take bed bugs home. One thing I can say is, and I'm thinking as I'm going, and my mind is always thinking, but these bugs are like almost everywhere. You can't just walk into a room or a store or anywhere and just know that they're there. The only way that can happen is if it's a massive infestation there, because they do have this little odor. Sometimes it smells a little like ammonia, sometimes it smells a little like soury, or like just a dingy like smell. And that comes from all the blood that they suck from people when they go back to the nest. All that blood be all on the mattresses and things, and then it turns brown. Most of us never get to see it because we don't check sheets when we're out traveling. We don't lift the sheets off the bed. And most of the time you probably don't want to, because if you take the sheet off that bed, you probably be leaving that room and don't even want to stay there. You have no idea how these mattresses look, and sometimes they encase them, they'll cover them up with a plastic covering. But again, I do have a travel kit that I put together for those of you who travel for whatever reason. You travel for work, you travel for vacation, you travel to see family, or however. I do have that travel kit. The link will be in the video. So that's what I came to speak on. Just in case you get bit and you may think it's a mosquito bite, it could be a flea bite, it could be a bed bug bite, it can be any different kind of bite. But when you're traveling, if you're getting bit, you more than likely getting bit by a bed bug. And yes, there's a huge possibility of you bringing them back home with you. So the travel kit, again, the link will be in the video if you're interested. And I will also include, the travel kit has information for when you're out on travel and what to do when you get home with your luggage, how to unpack it and things like that. So you can do everything you can to remain bed bug free in your home. So thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.